Welcome to the mystical dance of the Northern Lights, a spectacle of nature that lights up the night sky in high-latitude regions around the world.
The Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are actually the result of collisions between electrically charged particles from the Sun that enter the Earth's atmosphere.
These lights are predominantly seen in the magnetic poles of the northern and southern hemispheres. They ensure a breathtaking display, particularly during increased solar activity.
Interestingly, the best time to view the aurora is around the spring and fall equinoxes, when geomagnetic activity is at its peak, contrary to popular belief that winter is the best season.
Auroras stretch across a band known as the auroral oval, which lies approximately 90 kilometers above the Earth's surface, creating an expansive celestial theater.
The color of the aurora depends on the type of gas molecules that the solar particles collide with. Oxygen molecules, for instance, produce green and red lights, while nitrogen gives purple and blue hues.
A lesser-known fact is that the Aurora Borealis has a southern counterpart called the Aurora Australis, or the Southern Lights, visible from high southern latitudes in Antarctica, Chile, Argentina, New Zealand, and Australia.
The ancient Greeks believed that Aurora was the sister of Helios, the sun, and Selene, the moon, making her a significant figure in their mythology.
In medieval times, the appearance of the aurora was often considered an omen of war or famine, adding a layer of mystique and fear around this beautiful natural phenomenon. The first scientist to propose a theory for the aurora was Galileo Galilei in 1619, who mistakenly attributed it to the reflection of sunlight off the Earth's atmosphere.
Solar storms, which can enhance the northern lights, have been known to disrupt radio communications, GPS signals, and even power grids on Earth, demonstrating the powerful impact of solar activity.
In some cultures, auroras are believed to be the spirits of the dead, trying to communicate with the living, adding a profound spiritual dimension to the aurora watching experience.
Expeditions to observe the Northern Lights are a popular tourist activity, with countries like Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland offering specialized tours that promise an unforgettable experience.
The intensity and frequency of auroral displays can be predicted through solar cycle monitoring, which tracks an 11-year cycle of solar activity.
Auroras have been observed on other planets as well, including Jupiter and Saturn, showcasing the universal appeal and presence of this stunning natural occurrence. While cameras can capture vivid images of the aurora, human eyes perceive these lights as more whitish-gray due to the way our eyes process light at night.
The highest occurrence of northern lights activity typically takes place around 65 degrees north latitude, a magical ring around the planet marked by exceptional views.
Contrary to common belief, auroras do not make any sound. Any reported sounds are likely psychological effects or mistaken attributions.
The International Space Station, ISS, offers a unique vantage point for viewing the aurora, with astronauts frequently sharing breathtaking photos of the phenomenon from space.
Inuit mythology interprets the aurora as the spirits of animals they hunted: seals, salmon, deer, and beluga whales, each dancing in the sky.
The earliest known recorded aurora sighting dates back to 2600 BC in China, where it was described as dragons in the sky.
Recent studies suggest that auroral activity increases slightly during solar minimum periods, due to the interactions between the Earth's magnetic field and solar wind. The city of Fairbanks, Alaska, is considered one of the best places in the world to watch the Northern Lights, thanks to its position under the auroral oval and clear, dark winter skies.
Technological advances have led to the development of aurora forecasting tools, helping enthusiasts predict when and where to find the best viewing opportunities.
One myth suggests that whistling under the aurora can cause it to swoop down and take the whistler away, a tale that underscores the mystical allure surrounding the phenomenon.
Photographing the aurora requires patience and the right settings on your camera, with long exposure times being a key factor in capturing their ethereal beauty.
The term Aurora Borealis comes from the Roman goddess of dawn, Aurora, and the Greek name for the north wind, Borealis, fittingly meaning dawn of the north.
Due to the Earth's magnetic field, auroras are often observed in an oval-shaped pattern, providing a stunningly structured view of these lights in the sky.
Auroras not only occur in the Earth's upper atmosphere, but can also be seen in other expansive atmospheres within our solar system, illustrating the universality of this magnetic phenomenon.
The study of auroras is not just for beauty or curiosity. It holds significant scientific value in understanding Earth's magnetic environment and its interactions with solar winds.
Despite their frequent occurrence in polar regions, large solar storms can push the aurora further south, occasionally making them visible in more temperate latitudes.
The unique colors and patterns of the aurora are often mirrored on the surface of bodies of water, providing a double vision of nature's spectacle.
Legend has it that children conceived under the northern lights will possess extraordinary luck and happiness throughout their lives, a beautiful thought for those witnessing the aurora.
Some of the most incredible aurora displays come after periods of intense solar flare activity, when the sun ejects a massive cloud of gas into space, interacting with Earth's magnetic field. Despite its ethereal appearance, the aurora has a scientific explanation, rooted deeply in the interactions between the Earth's magnetic field and the solar wind, a testament to the wonders of our planet.
Witnessing the aurora firsthand is a bucket list item for many, symbolizing the wondrous beauty our world has to offer those who seek it.